Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where this week we're going to be looking at a fun function that you can use inside of Google Sheets, and that is the frequency function. So this function will make it easy for you to calculate the frequency distribution of one column or array into specified classes. So I've got an example right here behind me. And you could use this in a lot of different cases. Maybe if you're tracking defects and you want to see a tolerance and how many land within a specific frequency, that would be one option, or just calculating the number of data that falls into a set. So behind us, we have an example. You can see in our data, we have the numbers 1 through 19, and the classes that we're going to be looking for are anything that's 1 or below, anything that's 5 or in that column between 1 and 5, and anything from 5 to 10, and then anything above 10. So the syntax for frequency is very simple. It's only 2 arguments. You have your data set, and you have those classes that you do need to preset. So this is just an example. If you want different classes, make sure you change it accordingly. And then your data will just be this array right here. So we're going to go ahead and calculate this. And what you'll do, like with any other function, is you hit your equal sign, it'll open it up. We're going to type in frequency, open a bracket, and then the first thing we're going to select is our data set. So we've got our data set selected, and it's going to give us a count of how many numbers are there. We see there's 19, and now we need to put the second piece of our syntax in, and that is our classes. So we're going to go ahead and just select those classes and hit enter, and you'll see that we have one number that's in our data set that is 1 or below. So you can see that right there. We have 4 that are between 1 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And we'll go ahead and highlight those in red and then go across here in red so that you can see them matching. And then we have 5 that are between 5 and 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. And we'll highlight those ones in green and then come across here in green so that you can see that it's calculating it correctly. And then we have 9 that are above 10. And so that's going to be 11 through 19. We'll go ahead and highlight that one right there. So it's a fun function, easy to use if you're trying to put things into classes or calculate your frequency distribution and put it into one neat and tidy column. Now remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you back here on Lean Strategies International, LLC.